Hello everybody. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to contact Saffron Building Society customer service. Firstly, you need to open any of the web browser. And in the top, there's a address bar. You need to type down Saffron Building Society and enter it. And from the search result, you need to select this top website here. And once inside this homepage of Saffron, in the top, you can find there's an icon for contact us. Select there. And from here, select this Our Contact Details. And from here, scroll a bit down and you can find this number here. For any general inquiries of customer service, you can dial this number. And before contacting customer service, make sure you have your account or mortgage information ready for verification and never share your password, PIN, or security code. And scroll a bit down for any email inquiries. You can simply contact to this email here. And that is it. That is how you can contact Saffron Building Society customer service. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.